Did you know that California recently voted to change its lemon law without any input from California consumers? How did this happen? Well, let me explain. You see, recently General Motors and Ford Motor Company had a meeting with the Consumer Attorneys of California, a plaintiffs' organization with substantial political power and influence in California. During the meeting, General Motors and Ford Motor Company threatened the CAOC with a ballot initiative to cap attorneys' fees in personal injury cases to 20% if they didn't support the proposed changes to the lemon law. In other words, a lot of money for attorneys would go bye-bye. The CAOC got scared, and instead of protecting consumers, they gave in to Ford and General Motors' demands and backed the deal to change California's lemon law without any consumer input. Armed with their support, General Motors and Ford Motor Company approached California's legislature at the 11th hour through a backdoor gut and amend approach, in which they lied to the legislature, telling them that manufacturers did not have an affirmative duty to buy back defective vehicles when in fact they did. The changes to the lemon law will include a bevy of unfavorable terms, including requiring consumers to provide written notice to the manufacturer. Moreover, in any case where there is a recovery, auto manufacturers would automatically get deductions for things such as negative equity and service contracts. If this makes you angry, please contact your local representative and tell them that we need an opt-out provision from these drastic changes to the lemon law, and join us in the fight to preserve California's lemon law.